vortex. Do you think that they're gonna copyright handle? I haven't had any copyright claims in the past couple months for anything. What's going on? Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. That's really hard. I don't think that you understand how hard it is. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. For some reason, I tell myself that I'll make it easier if I make these like breathy sounds, like. I am a second soprano though. Like, I can hit a lot of high notes, but I can't hit them very loud. My friend Alicia can hit them really, really loud. And you definitely hear her more than you hear anybody else in church. But she told me that she follows me sometimes. Because she doesn't hit the right notes. I can't even read music, bitch! I can't! Don't follow me. We shall wait forever. I totally fucked that up. I never thought that I would be in the church choir. Because I remember being in the choir at school. And it was so terrible. And I absolutely hated it. Maybe that's because I hated my choir teacher. Or maybe I hated my classmates. Probably both. But I really, really enjoy being in the choir at church though. Maybe you just had to sing for God. Maybe that was the problem. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, because, like, I have a musical theater background. You know, like, I was in theater all throughout high school. And my theater teacher hated me. And I internalized that. Okay? So that's why I'm doing this. And, I'm pretty sure that I pissed off all my teachers that weren't used to, like, literal rugged individuality. I'm not really into Ayn Rand or anything. I have a bunch of her books, but something told me not to read them. Something told me to just keep that on the bookshelf to make people think that I'm hardcore into all that libertarian crap. I mean, I feel like if you're into that, your lifestyle speaks for itself. Like, I see all these people riding around with, like, the Don't Tread on Me license plate. You see, I don't have to have a Don't Tread on Me license plate because, like, just the way that I drive is an indicator of that mindset. Okay? Ronnit had to tell me to stop driving in the bike lane a couple weeks ago. And this is the crazy Jewish bitch from New York City telling me to not drive in the bike lane. That is cool that you freaked her out, though. I'm glad that that happened. Yeah, dude. That was a fun night. We were driving around in circles for like 45 minutes. And she has the GPS on her phone and everything. And we were still lost. But, I've been watching my recent comedy performances, and I gotta say, it's pretty awesome. Like, I feel good about it. I feel good about the direction we are going. And that's awesome because the direction that everybody else seems to be going is not good. So it's very important that we continue our age-old motto of doing the exact opposite as everybody else. I've always been like that. That's not something that I've strived for. You know, I realize that a lot of these things that I've marinated on all throughout my life, it's like I've had that inside me. You know, that fuck all swagger, that I do what I want mindset. I've always had it. You know, I don't need to wave a fucking Gadsden flag, you know? It's a show. It's a show for so many people. Well, we don't need to put on a show because, you know, our life is a fine enough example of the things that we believe in. You know? That's why my last vehicle that I totaled, because I'm a woman and I practice what I preach, damn it. I told you I'm a bad driver. My last car, the Chevy Avail, the red car, I had Bible verses written all over it. So, I guess that was my Gadsden flag. Right? Right? I was just about to say, you raging hypocrite. But you know it by our actions. You know, not just by, like, these declarations. Like, anybody can make a declaration. You know, that's not hard. Especially in America. That's like all that Americans do is make these bold declarations. And I feel like they wouldn't have to do that if they actually, you know, lived by that. See, I've always trusted God and I've always been taken care of. I think that people don't follow that path and then they wonder why their life is all screwed up. And then their head gets all screwy because, you know, the devil sees a perfect opportunity to manipulate them. And that's all he has to do, you know? He gets you when you're most vulnerable and then convinces you of a bunch of horse shit. And you believe it because you're weak. I don't know, maybe that's why people think I'm a man.